Hey guys, it's the Doc, and here's our next installment of the hashtag Ask Dr. Mudgil series of posts. This one comes in from Reddit, comes with a picture, which we'll show you. And the question is, how do I fix this split in my fingernail? I went to the dermatologist in August. They said I had a cyst under my nail. Last week, I noticed it started splitting, and it's gotten significantly worse since then. Is there anything I can do to fix this at home? Well, that's a good question. So it's good that you went to the dermatologist, because I don't have to say what I usually say, is that you should get in to see a board certified dermatologist. And it sounds like they diagnosed you with most likely something that's called a digital mucous cyst, which is like this little cyst that can exist like right at the base of your nail. And in your case, it looks like that cyst is smushing down on what's called the nail matrix, which is where the nail is formed. Those are the cells that divide to create the nail. And if there's sometimes some sort of trauma or something that's impeding the integrity of the matrix, you can get a split in your nail, which is what you got. So that's the chicken that's laying this egg. Unfortunately, there's no at-home remedies for this sort of thing. It's fundamentally like a structural issue. If it is in fact the pressure of the cyst that's causing this issue, then obviously dealing with the cyst is dealing with the chicken that's laying this egg. That's your solution. Sometimes though, there can actually be permanent damage to the matrix. So if that cyst has been smushing down on your matrix for a very long time and has caused some permanent injury to the integrity of the matrix, it's possible that your nail may continue to grow out, split. Again, your best bet would be to follow up with a dermatologist that you saw and ask him or her what they think options may be. There are also some nail specialists out there. There's some dermatologists or dermatologic surgeons who specialize in these sorts of nail issues as well as many other things. There are a few of them scattered around the country. So it might not be a bad idea if this is really driving you nuts to Google one of those folks, or you can just drop something in the comments below and I can make you a recommendation. That's what I got to say about that split in your nail. I hope that answers your question. Let's get it.